everybody, welcome back to the Lulu and Bear Show. I'm Bear and this is my big sister Lulu, and today we're going to make Play-Doh from scratch. Okay, so let's get started. It only takes 4 simple ingredients. So we have flour, water, salt, and food coloring.
How much water do you see there?
1/4, half cup.
Yeah, that's about right. It was about 1 1/3. Yeah, it calls for 1 cup, but we use a little more because we found out this can be very dry.
Yeah, I can too.
Great. And what do we want to put in next?
We need flour. So we're gonna now add the dry ingredients in. The dry ingredients go really well together. I'm gonna pour a half cup of table salt.
All right, let's see. Way more actually. Okay, now mix it in.
Mommy, like this?
Yes. So make sure the dry ingredients are mixed well together.
It kind of looks like sand.
Also, kids, disclaimer, you should not eat this. Just because it has flour, you can make this into cookies, but do not eat this.
So hot. It's literally 100 degrees outside. See me sweating?
Depending on where you live, it's probably summertime. Just a little, just a thumb, like rule of thumb, I mean. If it's too watery, add more flour. If it's too thick, add more water.
It looks like clumpy baby food.
Sister
Finally!
It is coming together.
Yes, it came together.
So it should start to look like this.
And then when you're done mixing it like a little bit more,
You can separate it and then add the food coloring.
Yes, let's go do
we
that.
separated the dough into 4s. We have blue for Bear, green for Bear too. We have yellow for me and pink for me. It looks like red now, but when we mix it, it'll turn into pink. And these are our food dyes. We have pink, yellow, green,
And blue. So now
it's our first time using food coloring, so we don't know how messy it's gonna get. It's messy.
Oh my gosh, my hands too.
Yeah, I'm just gonna mix this in the pool. But guys, getting messy is part of being creative.
And if you want, you can just wash your hands after you do.
Get messy.
Yeah. I'm a true
You guys know like that ice cream with half chocolate, half vanilla, and it's like in a swirly? That's what it looks like, except like half strawberry and half vanilla.
And that is my favorite.
This is like the blueberry
strawberry
and half vanilla.
Yeah.
Because it's blue.
It's getting pink a little bit.
It's getting blue a lot.
Because white and red makes pink, so red and white, it'll make the pink color.
Oh, look at that. That looks cool. Hold that up, Bear.
Looks like I squirted mustard or egg on my hands.
How do you like your eggs, Lulu?
Sunny side up. Guys, like if you like scrambled eggs and subscribe if you like sunny side up eggs.
I would subscribe. This is the final product, and I'm proud of myself for making this from scratch.
Be sure to like and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to make this at home, and you'll be really proud of yourself when you make this.
Be blessed!